From cutting-edge medical tools to the fiber optic cables powering the internet, the laser is everywhere in our modern world. But where did this incredible technology come from? Join us as we explore the fascinating history of the laser, an invention that began as a wild idea and became a cornerstone of modern science and technology. The story of the laser begins with a groundbreaking idea by Albert Einstein in 1917. He proposed the concept of stimulated emission, a process that would later become the cornerstone of laser technology. Before moving further into history, let's see what is stimulated emission. Stimulated emission is the process by which an incoming photon of a specific frequency can interact with an excited atomic electron, causing it to drop to a lower energy level. The liberated energy transfers to the electromagnetic field, creating a new photon with a frequency, polarization, and direction of travel that are all identical to the photons of the incident wave. Before the laser, there was the maser, microwave amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. In 1953, Charles Townes, along with his colleagues James Gordon and Herbert Zeiger, built the first maser at Columbia University. This device amplified microwaves rather than visible light, marking a significant technological achievement. It showed that stimulated emission could be controlled and used to amplify electromagnetic waves in a coherent manner. The success of the maser was a crucial proof of concept that stimulated emission was not just a theoretical idea, but could be applied in real-world devices. This validation was essential for the subsequent development of the laser, as it demonstrated that the same principles could potentially be extended to visible light. As the potential of the maser became clear, scientists around the world raced to extend the concept to visible light, aiming to create the first laser. This scientific race brought together brilliant minds, but also intense competition and controversy. In 1958, Townes and Arthur Schawlow co-authored a seminal physical review paper, Infrared and Optical Masers. The paper predicted that the maser effect could be extended to infrared and visible light wavelengths. Thus, the concept of the laser was born. Gordon Ghul, an American physicist, came up with the idea of the laser and its name in 1957. He had discussed the idea with Charles Townes, who had invented the maser. Gould took Townes's advice that he should write down his ideas and notarize them as a first step of applying for a patent. Believing that he first needed to have a working prototype, he waited until 1959 to apply for a patent. But by that time, Townes and Arthur Schawlow had filed such an application, and Gould's was rejected. With the initial support of Technical Research Group, and with his notarized notebook as his main piece of evidence, Gould fought Townes and Schawlow's award of the laser patent. After many years of litigation, he prevailed, and in 1977, he was issued the first of the 4 U.S. basic laser patents that he was eventually granted. Theodore Maiman, who successfully built the first operational laser, in 1960 using a synthetic ruby crystal. On May 16, 1960, he made history by demonstrating the first working laser at Hughes Research Laboratories. This ruby laser emitted pulses of red light, marking the dawn of a new technological era. Following Maiman's breakthrough, laser technology rapidly evolved. Lasers became more efficient, versatile, and powerful, leading to widespread adoption across multiple industries. The evolution of laser technology has revolutionized industries by enabling precision manufacturing, medical surgeries, telecommunications, and data storage, driving advancements in efficiency and innovation. From its origins as a scientific curiosity, the laser has transformed our world. But the journey doesn't end here. As we look to the future, laser technology continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, from cutting-edge medical treatments to the exploration of the universe. If you enjoyed this dive into the history of the laser, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating stories of innovation and discovery.